Hi everyone, many beginners get confused about permalink settings, but if you don't set this properly, your website SEO can become very weak and your site may not rank on Google. So don't worry, it's very simple to fix. First of all, go to your WordPress dashboard. On the left side, you will see the settings option. Click on it and select permalinks. Here you will see different options. You just need to select post name. Why should you select post name? Because when you open any post, the URL link should be the same as your post title. For example, if your post title has your main keyword and your URL also has the same keyword, it helps Google understand your content better. This improves your chances of ranking higher on Google. Now go back and make sure select post name, click on save changes. That's it. This is very simple setting, but it can give a strong boost to your website SEO.